right now. Bitch, take me to ball. Heart gon' speak so God. Splash on my head. Wanna get you down.
Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing great. I am doing fine myself, and today I want to share with you how you can make this rice with shrimp and vegetables. It is not complicated at all. It is very easy, so just keep watching. And before you do anything, please make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, share this video, and leave me a comment in the comment section. So let's get into the video. So for this dish, you're going to need those ingredients on the screen, and I'll also be putting them in the description box below. So you're going to start by heating your pan on medium heat and adding 2 tablespoons of oil. So you want the oil to heat up a little bit, and then you're going to go in and add your onions, and we are going to fry the onions until they turn a nice golden brown color. So now that the onions are turned a nice brown color, you're going to want to add your garlic, minced garlic, and then you're going to fry that as well with the onions to get all those flavors mixed together and to brown the garlic as well. So now that the onions are brown and the garlic, we're going to add our vegetables. Now you can add your preferred vegetables. You don't have to be the same exact like I did. But what I would recommend for the rice to actually look nice on the plate when you're serving, looking delicious, I would recommend colorful vegetables, you know, in different colors. Just like I added the green, the yellow, and the reds, all that, and then the sprout beans. So you can just be creative with it. Like I said, food and cooking is about creativity, innovation, and fun. So now I added a homemade paste, and this paste consists of tomato paste, soy sauce, Maggi cubes, paprika powder, a little bit of honey, and olive oil. So you want to stir that afterwards. We're going to cook our vegetables until they soften, not cooking all the way because we don't want them to be very soft. We want them to be a bit crunchy. And now we are going to add our seasoning, starting with half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic pepper mix, and I just added a little bit of water so that it does not burn at the bottom. It can be like 50 ml of water, it really doesn't matter, just add just a little bit. Then we're going to add half a teaspoon of black pepper, then half a teaspoon of paprika powder, then finally half a teaspoon of salt. And then we're going to stir this until our vegetables are almost cooked. So now I added my coriander leaves just to give it a bit of character and also flavor. And then we're going to stir it and let it cook. So now our vegetables have cooked. They're almost ready, not all the way there. We've killed all the bacteria, but the vegetables are still a bit crunchy. We're going to go ahead and add our cooked rice. So make sure you have your cooked rice ready on the side, because you're just going to add it there. And the rice can serve up to like 5 people, so just take that into accountability as well. So if you're cooking for like 2 people, then make sure that it's less rice. So now you want to stir everything together, mix the rice and the vegetables very well. So now finally we are going to add our shrimp, and the reason why we add it at the very end is because you don't want it to take up the color of the seasoning of the rice. So you want the shrimp to also stand out in the rice, because I feel like that makes it a little bit more interesting. Remember, the shrimp is already cooked, so at this point you just want to mix it together with the rice, and that's it. You don't even have to leave it on the heat for more time because it's technically ready. Also, if you do not eat shrimp or seafood, please, you can just add chicken or beef, or just leave it plain with just vegetables. So now that our rice is ready, just go on and serve it. You can put it in a bowl or on a plate. You can serve it with a stew, or you can serve it with just other snacks. And you can also serve it as party food actually. This rice has a lot of flavors, and it's so interesting like to eat, because you have all these textures from the shrimp, from the vegetables, from the rice. It's very interesting, and the flavors, definitely something I recommend to try, especially if you have guests coming by. It's not something, I don't think it's something that people eat on a daily, so it would be a very nice, interesting meal to serve to your guests. So yeah, that's how the rice is looking like, with our shrimp, with the beans. Tasty, delicious. And like I said, you can serve it with a stew, you can serve it with just other snacks. It doesn't even need a stew. I served it with just chicken and other snacks, deep fried shrimp. So thanks for watching, guys. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Please like the video and share it with your loved ones. And until next time, stay safe and stay blessed. Mwah.